Afternoon, guys.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing afternoon tea.
Yay!
Natalie's always on at me to go and get afternoon tea with her, and I'm not really a fan.
Usually when we go, it's me and Lindsay that goes, and she's not too much of a fan of bringing you guys along, so you never get to see the cool afternoon teas that we go on. So I'm always like, Chris, come to afternoon tea with me, and we'll show it and we can share it. But
I'm not really for it. So we thought we would do one in the house, because obviously with lockdown and stuff, a lot of great companies are doing stuff on Groupon. You can get it delivered. What was the company you bought it for?
This was an It Is On deal.
Oh, It Is On deal, sorry, not Groupon.
Similar to Groupon if you don't know what that is. It's Incredible Bakery or Incredible Bakery.
Something like that, yeah.
We'll see on the labels on the sticker. And basically they did a thing for £15 worth of food. You spent a fiver, which is the one I did. And they also had one that was £30 for £15. So they do lots on. I had a look around what they do. They do different cakes, different breads, different,
all sent in the house, aye?
Yeah, pizza doughs and lots of other kind of. It's not just gluten free. It's vegan, and I believe I can't remember if it's 12 or 14, but I think it's 12 different allergies.
Like nut free and all that stuff as well, and everything.
So I'll put the link down below to the actual bakery and definitely check them out. So we got these for. It was £5 delivery, so instead of
£10 total, wasn't it?
Yeah, so I paid £10 all in, and it should have been about £20, including delivery, and it came really fast.
It did come fast, and you can keep it in. I think you can keep it in the fridge for, is it 10 days or something?
10 days.
You can freeze it as well, can't you?
It says it lasts longer when you freeze it.
Aye, 30 days frozen, I think. I'm not sure. I can't remember.
But they looked amazing, so I think you will be freezing them. I think you'll be eating them as soon as they come through the door.
I mean, look, we done well not eating them for a week. Well, we ate 2 scones, because I was like, Natalie, we need to try these, they look dynamite. Nobody will know that we ate 2 scones, but obviously we're telling you as we ate 2 scones.
It comes with 4 scones, so when we show you it in a minute, it only has 2 scones, but bear in mind, it does come with 4.
Aye, it does come with 4. So we're going to just go in and show you, we've got it set up in the living room, we'll show you our wee afternoon tea. We've got a few things to tell you that we're going to be doing, so stick around to the end of the video. We just want to keep you updated with what we're doing. Just with lockdown and stuff, we've not really been doing much, you know what I mean? Natalie's been working at home, I'm still working, but we're really busy. That's it, we'll go and show you the cakes, we'll try them, and I think they're going to be great, because the scones were dynamite.
The scones are so good.
They were good. Oh, and guys, do you have jam first on your scone and then cream? Or do you have cream and then jam? That is the big debate.
I do cream and then jam.
I don't do cream, I do just start again. I don't do cream, I just do jam.
I know, he doesn't even have butter on it.
No. Well, I know, I like just butter or just jam. I'm not too sure. I know. But,
weirdo.
I'm a weirdo.
You guys decide.
Right, we'll go and have a wee look at them and you can see what they look like. Well, that's so much easier, wasn't it, that way, Barry? I'm just going to let it keep playing, right?
Incredible Bakery Company.
So here we are, guys. We've got our own wee makeshift table, as you can see, with our wee party tablecloth.
I wanted to make it fancy.
Aye, Natalie wanted to make it fancy. So it's called Incredible Baking Company. And here is some of the stuff. So one of them is a banana, coconut and ginger. Looks really, really good. The other one is a chocolate brownie, what's that called?
Chocolate brownie couverture or something. I think it just means the way it's made.
Ah, right. Then we've got a Brazilian carrot cake. We have no idea what makes this Brazilian. Maybe it's the chocolate chips on top of the carrot cake.
I'm not sure. I thought maybe Brazilian nuts, but obviously I looked at the ingredients. It's got all the ingredients here at the bottom. No nuts or anything because of the nut-free thing. I looked online and it just says a Brazilian twist.
So we've got coconut, cherry bakewell, looks dynamite. What's this we've got? We've got some creme fraiche. And Natalie did try this. She wasn't the biggest fan, but she's not really into creme fraiche, to be fair.
No.
Then we've got our wee cute, how cute are they? The wee jam jars.
I love mini jams.
Oh, marmalade. I might be on marmalade in mine. And then 2 scones. But remember, there was 4 scones, but we ate 2. And just before we tuck into our afternoon tea, Natalie's having...
I'm having Earl Grey. It's my favourite tea.
And I'm having the best tea in the world. Monster.
He doesn't like tea.
No, I hate tea, so I'm just going to have a Monster, and it's a big boy Monster as well, look at that. And treat yourself. Cheers. Boing. Right, we'll go and try it and we'll come back and tell you how we got on. Right guys, so that's us just finished our afternoon tea, and it was a wee bit chilly. As you see, I've got my jacket on. So what did you drink it?
I thought it was amazing. Stuffed though. It's very filling.
Could you eat 2 more scones?
I could not have eaten 2 scones.
To be honest, I could have. I would have just had, well, one with 2 with 1. I would have had Natalie's extra scone, to be honest. But I would say the scones and the cherry Bakewell were the best by far.
Yeah, well, I like the scones and I like the...
What was it like? Clotted cream?
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
She had a lot of clotted cream on her stuff, but I didn't really like it.
The chocolate cake was really nice, but it was like dark chocolate.
It was a wee bit too dark for me, to be honest.
And
carrot cake? Was that mean carrot cake?
The carrot cake was nice, but it wasn't amazing.
No, I agree. The ginger cake was dynamite. I think it was ginger and banana cake. And also, we've had that in the fridge for just about a week, just under a week, 6 days, and the cakes were still moist. They were brilliant. Usually, you know, you have stuff in the fridge and it goes stale quite quick, but it wasn't, wasn't it? No, it was good.
It was so good.
It was really good. So, highly recommend. What did we call it? What is it? The Irresistible?
The Incredible Bakery Company.
Incredible Bakery Company. Be sure to check it out. Natalie will put some links in the description so you can find them easily. And now we're going to give you some news. We're going to Alton Towers pretty soon. Yeah. This is going to be the first time we're being. Well, have you been before?
I've been before.
Right, Natalie's been. I've not. So this will be the first time we've been to Alton Towers. Been hearing some great news. We're going to stay down there. With the lockdown, it seems fine. You just need to wear a mask. We might. I'm not too sure. Might go to Blackpool.
I hope we do get to go there.
Aye, we'll go to Blackpool. Have a wee look around. See what it's like.
But we might be time-wise.
Aye, it's time-wise, we're not sure. In other news, we are going back to Disney, and we're going to go to Disneyland Paris.
I hope we are.
Well, if you have been keeping up with the coronavirus, I take it you have seen that France is now in the quarantine list. Doesn't affect Natalie, but unfortunately it affects me because I need to go to work. But we're hopeful.
You say that.
Well, Natalie does need to work, but she's in the house.
I'm working from home, so I have to do the 14-day quarantine.
She can do no bother.
I can still work because I'm working from the room and I don't leave the house anyway, so it won't affect me in any shape, way or form. And I'm like, I'll just go without you.
Exactly. So you could be seeing the vlogs, but just with Natalie. But do you know what? We're just going to play it by ear. We'll find out hopefully in the next month or two. And then hopefully we're going to Paris. We'll be bringing you some vlogs from Paris.
Month or 2.
Yeah.
It's September, literally in 2 days' time.
Aye, right, okay. Probably we'll find out in a few weeks, but and the last great bit of news is...
We're auntie and uncle.
Yes.
My brother had a baby, so we've got a brand new niece.
Yeah, we'll need to go and see her. We've not went and seen her yet. Natalie had a wee bit of a chest cold and she didn't want to go through, so we're going to go through and see Craig and Megan.
There's enough going about without me passing on chest infections
exactly.
to tiny babies.
So we're going to go and see them. That'd be great. And that's it really. That's all we've really been up to. We hope you are all doing well. And we notice we've got a few new subscribers, so thanks very much to people subscribing. And if you enjoyed the video today, give us a big thumbs up, you know the drill, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.